Hello everyone, welcome back to Update Hunt. So today I have got an amazing opportunity for all the tech enthusiastic out there. Cognizant, a global leader in the IT services, is looking for a Python and as well as Angular developer to join their team. So if you love working with the cutting edge technologies like Python and Angular and are ready to build innovative solutions in that, so this role might be a perfect fit for you. So let's dive into it and what is the job is all about and what is the eligibility criteria and who can apply for this. All the things are discussed in this video, so stay tuned till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel where you will get the content which is related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, scholarships, hackathons, competitions and lot more. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So what this role is all about. As a Python and as well as Angular developer at Cognizant, you will be responsible for designing, developing and as well as maintaining the high quality web applications. And also you will be working with the two powerful technologies like Python for backend development and Angular for the front end. So to create a scalable, secure and as well as user friendly software. You will also collaborate with the cross-functional teams including the designers, project managers and as well as other developers too. So deliver the solutions that meets the client's need. So coming to the key responsibilities, you are writing the efficient code and well structured code using the Python and as well as Angular. Building the robust and scalable APIs, ensuring seamless communication is between the front end and as well as back end. Developing the interactive and responsive user interface using Angular. And also collaborating with the team to gather requirements and deliver the high quality software solutions. And also performing the code reviews, debugging and testing to secure that the product meets the highest standards of the client. So what you need to apply for this? So Cognizant is looking for the developers with at least 2 years of experience in Python and as well as Angular. So you should be familiar with the RESTful APIs, JavaScript frameworks and have experience in the version control systems like Git. So they are also looking for the someone who can work well in a team, have excellent problem solving skills and in passion about delivering the high quality code. So why to choose Cognizant? Not only you will be working with latest technologies, but you will also be a part of the global company that values the innovation and growth. Cognizant offers a plenty of opportunities to develop your skills, work on exciting projects and grow your careers in a supportive and inclusive environment. Plus, you will also be contributing to impactful solutions that benefits a client worldwide. So now how to apply for this? I have given in the link in the description box. So when you click on that link, you will redirect to this page and you can simply press on apply button. You will be applied for this role. And the job location is in Bangalore. So if you are in the Bangalore location or if you are okay with relocate to Bangalore, then it is okay for you. And make sure to highlight your experience with the Python, Angular and showcase your any relevant projects you are worked on. And the Cognizant values the passion and dedication, so don't hesitate to apply even if you feel you don't tick all the boxes also. So that's all today exciting opportunity at Cognizant. So if you are a developer with experience in Python and Angular and want to work with a leading global tech IT company, so don't miss out this role. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to more career updates. Good luck with your application and I will see you in the next video.